Hey everybody, it's Eddie here from Indian Head Chrysler. Here is a quick look at one of our fresh trades. This is a 2022 Jeep Cherokee Limited in the diamond black crystal pearl. Just shy of 52,000 kilometers, one owner, and it just arrived on our lot. Priced very competitively. With a Limited, you get a ton of options: heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, full leather interior. We'll take a look at that right now. So black exterior, black interior, very comfortable leather seats. Proximity unlock doors, blind spot monitoring system, tons of options, you name it. This is on our lot right now and it is available. Come on down and take a look at it for yourself. 306-695-2254.